It was a cal test in the morning. I wanted to practice more than I did, but I think I did okay. It was really tight. We had 45 minutes, but like the steps were a lot, and basically I was rushing. Not really because I was not prepared. It's more like it just needs lots of steps, and I wanted to be like detailed in my showing work so I don't get points deducted for like it not being fully shown or anything. I don't think my prof is that picky, but just in case, like the absolute values, I was making them like super obvious that the inside of the absolute value was negative or positive. I was just, like showing the direct substitution one by one because it was like a huge fraction. It was three or four absolute functions in there, and I had to like break them down. Anyway, and then the continuity question, which probably actually it took a lot of time, but a lot less than I suspected it to be, because like when I was doing it in practice, it was a lot more in the points that I have to check if it was discontinuous or continuous. And then yeah, basically I hesitated at the last second, like trying to fix some negative or like plus signs. Like it's really the signs and like the symbols and distribution, those small stuff that could literally like destroy the whole thing when it comes to like limits and yeah, the stuff we're doing right now. So after that, I had 2 labs. Chemistry lab, we did titration. It was actually really fun. Like I was being super precise on like this precision thing. Yeah, it was satisfying to like see the color turn. We were using KHP and NaOH. KHP abbreviated version of like some other solution. I forgot the name, like the real compound, but it's not actually KHP. In mechanics, it was actually no lab today because the prof was so nice and she replaced it to be like a practice day. So we practiced like doing practice questions for 2 hours, and we could just ask her whatever questions. And there was only like 4 people that showed up, of course, because she announced it, and like if you announce it, obviously half the population is gone. No, not even half. We were like 20 people in the class, and like only 4 came, so 4 or 5. I really had to focus on circular motion in like accelerations and tangential, centripetal, and then linear. Yeah, all that was like still not perfectly like mapped out.